know, the future is Hoffman. It's orange. Orange is coming to the UK.
So we have a very exclusive brand which is called Garant. Yeah? With Garant, we ensure a highest quality on a very reasonable price level. Why or how can we do that? We have our own engineering department, and we have very specialists, very high technical specialists working on it to improve what is already good to make it excellent. Yeah? And that runs through a very intensive process, and we want to make sure that we're delivering the best quality. You know, we are a German company. German quality, yeah, so that is somehow combined, and for me that fits perfectly well to the UK market. You need high quality because you have a very good reputation also for high quality products, and that's where it matches very well.
One of the great things about Hoffman is the way that we are set up with technical specialists in different fields. So like many companies will just have a sales engineer who is expected to cover all the disciplines within a company, and so what we do is we will have the general sales engineers, but then we will also have specialists in different fields. So for instance, we'll have a specialist who just deals with cutting tools. We'll have another specialist that deals with abrasives and grinding equipment, another specialist who deals with PPE, and another specialist who deals with workstations, and also metrology. So this is something that's quite unique into the UK marketplace, a company that can offer all these different disciplines under one umbrella.
Yeah, back in 3 years ago I did a simulator test against Jamie and actually beat him back in Bremen at the facility that we have over there. That's no good. I'm pretty sure he'd beat me if I was out there now though.
I'm head of internal sales. I'm looking after the inside sales team. We are dealing with all customer inquiries and orders, basically supporting our customers from the office and supporting our field sales guys as well.
Yeah, it's been tremendous for us as a business. In the last few years we've seen significant productivity gains to the extent of circa 25% gains in productivity per year. It's been a tremendous outcome for us on a number of facets, whether that be machine tools, workbench, work layout. It's been really significant for us, and Hoffman have been able to really support our needs as we've grown and changed the shop floor layout to support that.
We use a German company called Hoffman. They supply their own back ends in 3 different forms through Holex, Garant and Iruglu, and we've been using them pretty much since day one.
And the cutting tools?
The cutting tools are all Hoffman as well.
And are they the Garant range?
Yes, the Garant range, I'm going to say, is their premium range. They're spot on.
We put our drills on, which is a 12 times D master steel feed drill, which is a 3-flute drill. Has fantastic tool life capability. We were able to increase the feed rate by 1/3, and also we increased the tool life from 20 parts per component up to 160 parts.
And what kind of efficiency gains have you seen since implementing this product from Hoffman?
Man hours, I think, is one key area, is man hours. People are not looking for tools running around the workshop, because that was a big thing. Somebody wouldn't have a screwdriver that would fit a certain fastener, they'd be looking for it around the workshop. Now it's here, it's all with them in one case.
What kind of cycle time reductions have been achieved?
Well, just on a 60mm deep hole, we've achieved in the order of 5 minutes savings in time.
As I said earlier, helping our customers and potential customers to simplify what they do in procuring all of those products and help them drive efficiency and productivity.